Respiration in animals.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
Different animals have different organs for respiration depending on their surrounding. For example, humans use lungs, fish use gills, earthworm use skin depending on their surrounding environment. Respiration in aquatic animals.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
The dissolved oxygen in water is fairly low compared to oxygen present in air. Hence, breathing in aquatic organisms is much faster than terrestrial organisms. They use gills to obtain oxygen from water and mix it in blood. Respiration in terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals use atmospheric oxygen for respiration. Respiratory organs are very fine and delicate. Hence, these are placed within the body. Respiration in human. While breathing, chest of human body expand and contracts continuously. When it expands, air is taken into the body through nostrils, called inhalation, and when it contracts, air is thrown outside the body through nostrils, called exhalation. Air taken inside the body contains various particles. Hence, it is filtered with the help of fine hairs in nostril and mucus of the passage. Air passes through throat into the lungs through air passage.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Throat contains rings of cartilage which supports air passage. Within lungs, the passage divides into smaller and smaller tubes, which finally terminate in balloon-like structures called alveoli. Walls of alveoli contains complex network of blood vessels where exchange of gases takes place. During lung expansion, air is taken into the lungs from which oxygen is absorbed by hemoglobin present in blood in alveolar blood vessels. During contraction, carbon dioxide contained in alveolar blood vessels brought in lungs, which is then released out through nostrils.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.